Hey guys, Christian here. Today I'm going to take you through a new product. This is called the First Aid Plus. So, First Aid Plus, how does it fit into the family? Well, as you are likely familiar, this is our current lineup, right? We've got the Triage Kit, which I love, one of my favorite products. 130 grams, ultra lightweight, designed to fit in your bike jersey, your chest pocket on your jacket, maybe some cargo pants if you're one of those guys. First aid and gear repair, perfect for those times when you want to move fast, you want to move light, but you want some coverage. I take this with me literally everywhere I go. I've got 3 of these in my truck. Love this thing. We've got the First Aid Core, which comes in the 72. It's just a really nice, comprehensive little first aid kit with everything you'd expect. Really tough shell, little belt loop holder. Great little kit here for your kids, for the office, for your desk, whatnot. A step up from there, First Aid Pro, just more stuff. I mean, this is what I keep in my truck. It's what I take when I'm camping with a group of people. You've got more bandages, more pieces, plus you've got just a lot of great tools in here for all sorts of different wounds or injuries. But we want to take it up a notch. And today we're going to talk about First Aid Plus. Let me take it out of the package here. So the first thing you're going to notice here is the size and the material. Now here it is sitting next to the First Aid Pro. You can see it's substantially bigger. Now what this is everything that's in the First Aid Pro plus, hence the name, additional tools. We really loved what we learned from this guy, and that's that a lot of times before there's an emergency, there's a breakdown in your gear. Maybe a seat post on your bike breaks, maybe a binding on your skis break, whatever it is, a shoelace. All those things can lead to injury through a rolled ankle or a crash or whatnot. Sometimes fixing the problem with your gear is the first step, and we took that learning from this guy and just made a burly kit here. So before we get inside, let's talk about the outside. Once again, 600D tarpaulin, welded, dual coated. This is 100% waterproof. You throw it underwater, it's not gonna get wet. We've got a super waterproof zipper. We've got welded material. One of the things I like about this zipper is, as you know, or as you likely know, waterproof zippers are pretty hard to pull. And this one's no exception. That first part's really tough. Now, if you're in extreme conditions, zip it all the way up. If you're not, you can keep it to about right here, and then it unzips super easy. So you've got 2 options there. You know, if you're in a dry environment, whatever, a little gap's not gonna make a big difference. You know you're gonna need to get into it quickly, easy to go. If you know it's gonna get real nasty out there, you push that thing all the way up, dock it, and it is completely sealed and airtight. On the back of this thing, we've got MOLLE. So it comes with 2 MOLLE straps and a MOLLE grid backer. Now, the one thing we did do is we added a layer of Velcro in here and 2 handles. The idea being, you hook this onto your side-by-side, onto your truck, onto your boat. You gotta go, you grab right here and rip, and this piece is off, and you can take it away while this stays attached to your vehicle. No messing with the MOLLE, trying to unhook it, running it through, and having to rehook it later. Super quick. But also this Velcro is extremely strong, and it is never going to come off of there, ever. Really nice way to carry and secure this first aid kit. Let's go to the inside. So on the inside, as with everything, we've got a ton of organization, a ton of labels. Now this looks a lot like the First Aid Pro. It's got all the same stuff. We've had to rearrange the configuration a little bit, but everything from CPR kits to saline solution to high quality shears. You can look at the list, which we'll post here in this video as well. You can see everything in here. I'm just gonna give you a quick overview for now. Now, where this gets a little different is if you turn the page. Now what you've got is effectively a mini survival kit. So in addition to first aid, you've got our multi-tool, our flashlight, duct tape, matches, glow sticks. You've got wet wipes. There's just a ton of stuff in here that I find myself using all the time, and I think it's a really nice addition to this kit for not much more money. All this packs tightly in. There's even a place for personal space in here. Zip this guy up, and this is just an amazing little kit to have with you in your home, in your vehicle, as you're going off-road and where weight is maybe not as critical, but you want some coverage.
When you're on the road, an accident happens in a flash. That's why make preparedness easy.
The Katadyn BeFree 1 liter collapsible filter is the perfect smash, stash, and go water filter for on-the-go lifestyles. For the adventure traveler who packs for weight savings while abroad, the BeFree 1 liter will become a staple in your luggage and your most innovative companion, whether refilling at the airport or at the stream near your final destination. With the BeFree filter, you no longer have to worry about where your next drink will come from. Carry and filter fresh water as you go. The BeFree filter uses Katadyn Easy Clean filter technology to remove protozoa and bacteria even in the most challenging water conditions. The BeFree filter is designed to last longer than other filters without the hassle of backflushing or carrying clumsy tools. It is the only microfilter that cleans easily with a shake or a swish through your water source to remove dirt and debris. Free flow channels provide sophisticated clean drinking water at a rate of 2 liters per minute with a simple squeeze. The BeFree filter's water measurements allow you to easily measure and refill companion bottles and cook or wash dishes at camp. Smash, stash, and go with the BeFree for every outdoor and travel adventure. The BeFree easily packs down into your day pack, jacket pocket, and travel luggage. The BeFree 1 liter filter is the ideal size for a variety of front and back country travel. Hikers, runners, cyclists, travelers, and campers love the BeFree for its ability to hydrate users no matter where their journey takes them. For more details, visit Katadyn.com.